Hi, welcome back. I'm here to walk you through technical troubleshooting for voice-based contact center agents. This is a practical beginner-friendly guide to diagnosing and fixing common product and platform issues over the phone. When a customer calls with a technical problem, your job is to solve it or move it forward. Stay calm, gather facts, run quick diagnostics, and escalate when necessary. You will not fix every issue, but you will reduce repeat calls and keep the customer confident. Start with quick verification and rapport. Thank the customer for calling and confirm their name and account, phone number. Ask one verification item such as the last four digits of the payment method or an account PIN. Keep your tone friendly and professional to build trust. Before troubleshooting, ask the customer to describe the problem in one sentence. If they give a long explanation, reflect back a short summary to confirm the core issue. This keeps you focused and avoids unnecessary steps. Use a basic troubleshooting checklist in order while explaining each step to the customer. First, ask to reproduce the issue while the customer stays on the line. If you can reproduce it, note exact error messages, timestamps, and the actions you took. Next, confirm the customer's environment. Ask whether they are on Wi-Fi or mobile data and which device and browser or app version they are using. Collect the operating system, app version, browser name and version, and network type. Then try simple resets. Ask the customer to close and reopen the app or refresh the browser. If that does not work, ask them to turn the device off and on again. These simple steps resolve many issues. If the issue persists on the web, instruct the customer to clear cache and cookies. Give brief instructions such as going to browser settings, clearing cached images and files, then restarting the browser. For apps, ask the customer to force close the app and relaunch it. Next, run basic network checks. Ask the customer to try switching to mobile data or a different Wi-Fi network. Suggest testing the same action on another device to see if the network is the cause. If the network appears to be the problem, capture the internet service provider and whether others on the network are affected. Check account and permission settings. Confirm the customer is signed in with the correct account and ask if any permission prompts are visible, such as microphone or location access. Access the customer through granting permissions. If they are blocked, ask for any exact error codes or the full error message. If possible, request a screenshot or the exact phrasing and repeat it back to confirm accuracy. Follow a diagnostic question flow to decide next steps quickly. Determine whether the issue is reproducible. If it is reproducible, proceed through the checklist and capture logs. If it is not reproducible, try to isolate by asking whether it happens on one device or only for specific actions. Decide whether the issue is environment specific. If it is limited to one browser or device, guide targeted fixes like updating the app or clearing storage. Decide whether the issue is account specific. If it works on another account, escalate to the account or backend team and gather account IDs, timestamps, and actions. Determine whether the problem is intermittent or persistent. For intermittent issues, probe for patterns such as time of day or load. For persistent issues, escalate sooner with the steps you have already taken. When summarizing diagnostics, use a concise script such as, based on what I tried with you, here is what I know. Escalate when you can reproduce a bug but cannot resolve it. Escalate when the issue is account or backend related, such as billing or data loss. Escalate when the customer needs a specialized tool or administrative action. When escalating, tell the customer you will escalate to the technical or tier 2 team for deeper diagnostics. Explain that you will include everything you tried, including device details, browser or app version, the error code and timestamps. Give a clear follow-up time frame for the customer to expect a response, confirm the best contact method and a suitable time window for updates, create the ticket with a clear summary, steps to reproduce logs or screenshots the customer impact and a recommended priority, keep customers informed throughout the interaction, use simple non-technical language and avoid jargon. If you need time to research, offer to take a short hold or ask if it is okay to call back. If the fix requires escalation, explain the next steps and the expected timeline clearly. Use lines like, I can't fix this from my screen, but I have escalated it, and included detailed notes. Offer to call the customer when there is news. If they prefer phone updates, use short teleprompter ready lines during the call. Open diagnostics with, thanks, I'm going to run a few quick checks with you now and this should take about 5 minutes. When the issue is resolved, ask the customer to confirm the fix and check for any other screens or steps they want you to test. If the issue is unresolved and being escalated, say I'm opening a technical ticket with everything we tried and I'll mark this as the appropriate priority because of the impact. Close calls with, thanks for your patience, is there anything else I can help you with today? Offer alternatives for customers who cannot perform steps or who have low technical ability. Offer remote sessions if company policy allows and schedule a convenient time. Offer to email step-by-step screenshots or book a callback with a higher tier technician. Suggest temporary workarounds such as using a different browser or the mobile app while the issue is investigated. When customers cannot follow instructions, provide very simple step-by-step guidance or ask a caregiver to assist if appropriate. Use a short role-play example to demonstrate the flow. Start by telling the customer you will reproduce the error now. If the customer reports an error code, read the code back and explain the immediate steps you will try, starting with a refresh. Explain that if the refresh fails, you will clear cache and then check system status. If the problem persists, explain that you will escalate with a screenshot and timestamp. Conclude the call by summarizing the facts and steps taken and the next action. Tell the customer when they can expect an update and how they will be contacted. This troubleshooting framework is simple to follow. Verify, reproduce, isolate, try quick fixes and escalate with clear notes. Use the checklist and short scripts to stay efficient and confident on calls. Next we will cover efficient verification scripts that maintain security and alternative verification for difficult cases. Subscribe now and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.